This is everything you need to know about Google Ads in under 3 minutes. I'm Jyll Saskin Gales, a Google Ads coach, and we're talking about lookalike segments. Lookalike segments are a form of audience targeting in Google Ads, which is when you want to show ads to people based on who they are. You're probably familiar with your data segments, showing ads to people your business has a relationship with, or some of Google's audiences like in-market segments or affinity audiences. Lookalike segments are made by using your data segments as a baseline. Google then looks at the people on that list and creates a new list of new users who share similar characteristics to your seed list. If this sounds a little bit familiar, it's because there used to be something in Google Ads called similar segments, but this is not the same thing. First of all, lookalike segments are only available in demand gen campaigns. Second, lookalike segments are target country specific. You actually pick your target location when you create the lookalike. Third, you pick the reach of your lookalike segment from narrow, balanced, or broad to reach 2.5, 5, or 10% of the people in your target location who are most similar to your seed list. And finally, similar segments were automatically created in your account, whereas you need to create your lookalike segments. So what can you use as a seed list for a lookalike? Any of your data segments, your website visitors, app visitors, YouTube users, Google engaged audiences, customer match lists. Something that is your data, and then you want to use it to go out and find more people like them. Lookalike. In order for your lookalike segment to populate, your seed list or lists must cover at least 100 active matched users, which usually means around 120 to 150 people on your lists. It may take a few days for your lookalike segments to initially populate, and then they'll be refreshed every couple of days. Since lookalike segments only work with demand gen campaigns, you can only create a lookalike segment when you're creating a demand gen campaign, and specifically when you're choosing your audience targeting for that campaign. However, once they've been created, you can see all your lookalike segments from Audience Manager. That means you can also see audience insights from your lookalike segment, which is pretty cool. My best piece of advice for you to get great results with lookalike segments is to use a highly engaged seed list. Finding lookalikes based just off website visitors is kind of too generic. Focus instead on purchasers or YouTube subscribers, something super engaged that's going to give really strong signals so Google will understand who those lookalikes should be. Got a question about lookalike segments? Let us know in the comments.